The Dow Jones is on its worst losing streak since 1974, and the market is in turmoil. Despite the Federal Reserve slashing interest rates by 25 basis points, stocks plummeted. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell over 1,000 points, marking its 10th straight down session. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite also saw significant declines, falling roughly 3% and 3.5% respectively. Fed Chair Jerome Powell explained the slower pace of rate cuts due to higher inflation expectations. 10 Fed officials now estimate only 2 interest rate cuts next year, down from 4. Cleveland Fed President Beth Hammack dissented, preferring not to cut rates at all. This dissent highlights the risk of the Fed keeping rates higher for longer. The 10-year Treasury yield rose nearly 11 basis points, hovering just under 4.5%. Rate-sensitive areas like the Russell 2000 index and real estate sector saw sharp declines. The Dow's losing streak has dampened the mood of what was a strong rally in 2024. Tesla led the declines among big tech, with shares closing down over 8%. Amazon, Apple, and Microsoft also saw significant drops, falling over 4%, 2%, and 3% respectively. Meta and Alphabet shares dropped over 3%, while Nvidia shed a little over 1%. Despite the sell-off, Nvidia's stock rose slightly due to a compelling case made by a BofA analyst. The Fed's decision to cut rates was not unanimous, with some officials citing policy uncertainty. Powell likened the Fed's cautious approach to navigating a dark room full of furniture. The Fed's updated economic forecasts show higher inflation and economic growth next year. Core inflation is expected to peak at 2.5% next year, higher than previous projections. The Fed sees the unemployment rate ticking up slightly to 4.3% in 2025. The Fed's cautious approach is due to the economy and labor market remaining solid. The Dow has not benefited from the tech rally, unlike the S&P 500 and Nasdaq. Housing starts fell in November to the lowest rate since July, driven by a drop in multifamily projects. The increased supply of single-family homes could improve housing affordability next year. Nvidia is planning to compete with hyperscalers by selling AI cloud services. This move could generate $150 billion in revenue from software and cloud services. The Dow opened higher after 9 straight losing sessions, eyeing a rebound. Markets are already expecting fewer Federal Reserve rate cuts in 2025. The Fed's latest summary of economic projections includes a revised dot plot. The Fed's cautious approach is due to higher inflation readings and economic growth projections. The election of Donald Trump has further complicated the inflation outlook. The Fed's decision could bring markets out of the zone of hesitation